Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 2 of my Questrade series where we try to grow the portfolio to $100,000 in 1 year of investing. As you can see, the portfolio is up to $20,256. We are up $256.59 all time. I did deposit another $10,000 into the portfolio, which is a fairly substantial amount, but the portfolio currently is sitting at $20,256. Now, if you guys haven't already downloaded Questrade, go follow the link below. Again, I think there is definitely benefit in having different brokerages, and one of the reasons why I decided to open a Questrade account as well as Wealthsimple, again, both links in the description. I think diversification is key, and that's how I preach with my investing strategy in different stocks. So I think there's merit to having diversified portfolios with different brokerages as well. So if you guys haven't already downloaded Questrade, you get $50 if you download the app. So go follow the link below, and if you guys were ever interested in Questrade. Now, there are some different management fees associated with Questrade, but there is real-time buys, which is very cool and a little bit different than Wealthsimple, which I think is 15 minutes delayed or so, and other different things that are great about this app too. So I do like both apps. Right now, with the different margin account that I'm using, it's only offered with Questrade, so that's another one of the reasons why I'm using Questrade as well. So without further ado, we're going to do some buys today. We have $10,000 to play with. We're going to be buying more VFV into the portfolio. Unfortunately, with the different account numbers and whatnot, I'm going to have to blur my screen, but I'll let you know exactly what I'm doing as we move forward. So we're going to go ahead and buy, and we're going to be buying VFV.to into the portfolio. It currently is selling at 142.40, and we're going to be buying into the margin account today, and we're going to be doing market order and a dollar amount, so we can set a precise amount, and there is actually no difference between share or market buy. So we're going to be buying 70 shares of VFV into the portfolio. Commission fees are at 24 cents for all this, which I'm not even sure where those are coming from, but 70 shares at 142.39, that equates to $9,967.30. That's Canadian dollars, obviously, and so that just went through there. So we bought another 70 shares again of VFV, and we're going to scroll back to the main portfolio just to go over a couple other things. So before I let you guys go, a lot of you have had different questions about income, how I'm able to invest as much as I can over the past little while. And I did answer a couple of those questions fairly briefly. I might go into more details moving forward. Again, for those who don't know, I am self-employed. I have a couple of different businesses, and that's where I generate most of my income. Again, the main two things you have to understand are investing is great when you already have money to grow your money even further, or to make sure that it doesn't go down because of cost of inflation and everything else. So it's not really a money-making tool, investing. It's to keep your money and to grow your money more than where it was before. So please keep that in mind. Again, a lot of people are going into these YOLO stocks or crypto thinking that they're gonna make millions. And obviously there is cases that happen where you do hit the jackpot. But for the most part, if you're investing similar to the way I do, it's not going to make you a millionaire in 2 to 5 years. It's gonna take some time, and I'm okay with that, as you guys should be too. It's the best strategy moving forward, in my opinion. Now, so two things. Increase your income. That's the most important thing you could do. And over time, again, I'll maybe discuss this in a future video, but I've been able to substantially increase my income over the past couple of years, paying down as much debt as possible. So I guess that's 2.5. So increase income, pay off debt. And the second one is reduce your expenses, which kind of ties into pay off debt too. But if you're able to reduce your the amount of money you're spending on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, it's gonna have a huge effect on how much money you can save, and that's just gonna compound over time. So again, if you guys have any other questions, concerns, or anything, shoot me a message in the comments or send me a DM. But those are the two main things, well, 2.5. So increase income is the main thing. If you're able to increase income, you will make more money, guaranteed. 2.5 would be pay off all your debts. Again, it kind of comes to a calculation at some point where it's, are you making more money investing compared to paying off debt? although there's definitely peace of mind of paying off debt for sure, and I definitely encourage you doing that. It's awesome to not have any debt. It just frees up everything for you. And number 3, as I mentioned before, was just reduce your expenses. So those 2.5, 3 different things is the way that I follow. And a lot of you guys want to see what I'm doing and how I work. So I definitely recommend you guys do the same. So before I let you guys go, we're gonna jump over to the Blossom account. I actually figured out how to add my Questrade account to Blossom so we can see how the total dividends have been accruing with this portfolio. So it'd be pretty fun to check out. So we'll check back in 2 seconds. Hey guys, this is using the Blossom app. Again, link in the description if you haven't already downloaded it. It's an amazing social investing app. I definitely recommend you download it, and you can see all my buys in real time as well. So dividend forecast, these are for all my portfolios, including Wealthsimple as well as Questrade. Again, for those asking, I will be doing a full portfolio update in December, so look out for that. But annually, we're making about $3,900 in dividends on a monthly basis, $326, and on a daily basis, $10.72. That's just in dividend income. We're looking at about a 2.4, 2.3% APR. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Hopefully you're enjoying the series. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, go ask me below. If not, we'll see you guys next week. Happy investing.